Your Grace Archbishop, distinguished leaders of this village, my village. May I, on behalf of the Fiji delegation, say how grateful and how honored we have been to the very meaningful ceremonies of welcome and installation that you have so kindly and graciously agreed to be performed for us this afternoon. The words in the exchanges we may not understand fully. The sentiments that has been exchanged, we understand fully. No matter what we say, we can understand your spirit. And you, I believe, understand the spirit with which we have received and accepted these great tokens of honor presented for us this afternoon. As we have expressed many times in our presentations, to and from, we have a very close bond that goes back many, many centuries, even before the times of those great leaders, Ratu Sir George, Leauva'a, and the great Leauva'a himself. There were great interactions in the past. When the colonial powers came, they divided us up into colonies and territories. They taught us their languages. They showed us their craft. They introduced education that they understood in their homeland. We're here for a gathering of the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting. We congratulate Sāmoa for successfully lobbying to host this meeting. It is a gathering of leaders from 56 countries around the world who have had a common history. Unfortunately, up to now, we are still trying to find where is the Commonwealth. As we engage in talks and discussions over the next 2 or 3 days, we're going to be asking ourselves, what else more valuable can we get out of our common heritage, our common history? I believe there's a lot to be thankful for. We're mostly Christians, something the civilizers brought to us. It was the essence of the word civilization, to get us away from our heathen ways into a civilized orders of society. So we became civilized. We adopted their religion. We adopted their concept of God. And we have been blessed and treated those. And as we meet here this afternoon, we are thankful to those great leaders of the past who embraced civilization, who embraced Christianity, and who have embraced development and sciences and education. I'm proud to be one of you now. We are all proud to have been here this afternoon to witness this solemn but meaningful ceremony. My permanent secretary for Foreign Affairs The forefathers came from Sāmoa, from Manono. They are the traditional craftsmen of Fiji today. Leauva'a, you probably know that. He has a title. You can ask him after this. But I now also have a title though. So this afternoon has been really, really meaningful. And we're so grateful that you have decided to adopt us into this village, adopt me as one of you, and have given me a title which I will be proud of and will carry with me with pride for the rest of my life. I wish you all God's blessing, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy hosting the leaders of the Commonwealth governments, and we pray that God will continue to bless us all in our lives.